Sector for Maintenance of First and Second Category State Roads continuously performs one of the primary tasks and goals of the public enterprise Roads of Serbia: good quality maintenance, protection and control of the existing network of state roads, bridges, road structures and road reserves on the territory of the Republic of Serbia. The Republic of Serbia allocates tens of billions of dinars for maintenance and rehabilitation of roads as a property for general use. Although 2020 was marked by the pandemic of the virus COVID-19, having an impact on all spheres of life and work, and despite the reduced income and allocated funds, the works and the maintenance of the road network have not stopped. The public enterprise Roads of Serbia has invested approximately 33.5 billion dinars for the rehabilitation of 159 kilometers of roads.
18 billion dinars was spent on the routine maintenance, classified into a summer and winter maintenance, 6 billion for winter and 12 for summer maintenance. We all know what that implies. Winter maintenance means the removal of snow, road gritting in the wintertime, gritting with the use of abrasive materials preventing black ice and skidding of vehicles on the road, for which we have spent somewhere around 6,270 million dinars. Another 12 billion and 50 million dinars were spent on the summer road maintenance items, such as hygiene, maintenance on the road service, draining system, carriageway, and the complete traffic signing, both vertical and horizontal. The second part of the routine maintenance refers to the so-called periodic road maintenance, which saw a lot of initiative last year. There were many investments and a lot has been done on roads, especially on the state road network and on the local network as well. We have rehabilitated 319 kilometers of state roads and spent 10.5 billion dinars for those works. The biggest progress has been made on the motorways through the remedy and the rehabilitation of the overlay, where 165 kilometers of roads was done and 5,100 million dinars were spent. First B category roads had the last work done, somewhere around 19 kilometers, and approximately 3.3 billion dinars was spent. We rehabilitated 97 kilometers of the second A category roads and we spent 2,900 million dinars, and also 18 kilometers on the second B category roads, spending 300 million dinars.
Public enterprise Roads of Serbia has used the reduced traffic intensity on roads to rehabilitate numerous sections on the Serbian road network, selected on the basis of regular inspections. Special attention has been paid to motorways as the most significant, the busiest transit roadways, which are also a part of the European road network. Works on the rehabilitation of 13 sections of the motorways, First A category state roads number 1 and number 3 first of all, have been completed.
After assessing the existing state of the pavement on First A category state roads, it was deemed necessary to perform rehabilitation on 14 sections of the existing motorways. Pavement rehabilitation implies the removal of the existing asphalt layers, the base layers and the surface layers, and the laying of a new asphalt layers on those locations. The driving and the overtaking lane have a new asphalt layer, BNS 32, 9 cm thick. The surface layer, consisting of asphalt concrete AB 16, PMB 6 cm thick, was made in the full width of the motorway semi-profile. For the purpose of traffic safety improvement, marking has been done on the carriageway, not the thin-layered, but the thick-layered one. Cold plastic, which in the conditions of night driving and perception ensures better visibility, has been applied. Apart from the works on the basic routes of the motorway section, there has also been works executed on the parking lots and junctions on those sections.
Works on the replacement of asphalt layers and the marking on the carriageway have been carried out on the junctions Ražanj, Aleksinac, Aleksinački Rudnici, Niš South, Subotica North, Subotica East, Horgoš, Feketić, Vrbas and Stara Pazova. For the purpose of traffic safety improvement, new lighting has been installed on the junctions Subotica North and Subotica South. Works on the frontal toll stations Šid and Stara Pazova and the accompanying motorway service facilities, parking lots Kisač, Čenej and Lovčenac have also been successfully completed. Beside the works on the carriageways, remedy and repair of road structures have been executed. Bridges, culverts, overpasses, in order to secure their durability and functionality.
18 structures have been remedied and 380 million dinars was spent in total. 8 structures were done on the motorways, 9 structures on first B category, or arterial roads as called before, and 7 structures on second A and second B roads, which used to be regional roads. The total expenditure is 380 million dinars. We haven't done as much as planned, for objective reasons. The design and the technical documentation was missing since the works have been commenced on many structures, but not completed. When we opened the structures, we saw the defects were a lot bigger than assumed, and then we had to temporarily suspend the works until the designers came up with one good quality and lasting solution, especially regarding the static system of the structures.
Preservation of values and improvement of the road network is an activity of general interest and has a significant impact on the quality of people's lives, their movement and safe traffic. Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia has a prompt approach every year towards urgent maintenance as well, allocating significant funds for that purpose. Approximately 7 billion dinars was spent in 2020 for the works on urgent removal of defects caused by sudden weather disasters, floods, landslides, earthquakes, leading to large damages of the road network and directly endangering traffic safety.
We have been faced with big floods since 2014 and onwards, every year due to heavy perceptions and natural disasters. Disasters have been happening on our roads network, compromising motorways, regional and arterial roads. Second category roads have been especially damaged, as well as the roads in hilly and mountain regions where flooding has made significant damage. All that has been partially remedied, and only a few other roads with low traffic flow in the hilly and mountain regions are left, which we haven't had enough time to remedy, since they are not of the highest priority. Last year, approximately 13 landslides were remedied and 194 million was spent, 5 on the highways and 100 million on second category roads. 8 landslides on the regional roads, where approximately 90 million was spent. That's 195 million dinars in total.
There hasn't been a part of Serbia without works on the road network. The Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia has taken active part and helped in the maintenance of local roads through cooperation with local self-governments.
We have been actively participating for several years, providing assistance to local self-governments in the remedy of local road networks, the non-classified roads and the streets. In the course of last year, approximately 400 sections of local roads were done, i.e. municipality roads and the streets, and we spent approximately 3.5 billion dinars. In terms of kilometers, 334 kilometers of local roads have been rehabilitated.
Because of the significance of safety of all traffic participants, a part of the Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia's daily performance, for which a lot of materials are used, are the activities related to the maintenance of traffic signage and road equipment, the cleanliness of the carriageway, the road reserve and the drainage system. Special attention is paid to protective barriers, pedestrian guardrails, crash barriers and wire meshes, preventing the entry of animals and people on the motorway. Interaction with state road users is very important for the enterprise, since it has an impact and directs the future work and activities for the purpose of increasing their pleasure as a proof and a highlight of successful business operation.
I cannot hide my pleasure with the amount of work we have done. Our users, who can see and grasp and monitor all our activities and our work, are the best critics, and I think that all the criticism is coming very positive. We will keep trying to be even more active in 2021 to provide even better quality and better visibility of our work for the pleasure of traffic participants and to raise the level of traffic safety to a desired level. The quality of roads has a significant impact on the reduction of the number of fatalities on roads and traffic accidents. Also, the installed road equipment has a considerable impact and helps users and traffic participants to drive safely.
In 2021, the public enterprise Roads of Serbia will strive to further develop and improve the road network on the entire territory of the Republic of Serbia, following the latest development trends and technological progress, with the aim of securing even safer and more pleasant traveling conditions for all traffic participants and the road infrastructure for further prosperity and progress of all spheres of the society.